Alright. Get it, kitty! Get it, kitty!
But it's hard.
Oh my god. And I get Queen in the background. Come on, Izzy, get it. I can even see it on the camera. Are you that blind?
Yes, he is.
See? He did it again.
What?
He did that earlier, and I
What did he
couldn't
do?
get him to do it again. The way he laughs, he's like, does that ah ha ha ha. And I told Cody he did that, and he wouldn't do it. And I didn't think he'd believe me.
What a dummy. Come on, kitty.
Come on.
He's like, where'd he go?
That was funny. He's like, where is it? Where is it? Look at his tail. He's going. That might be summer.
Look at his head. It's like the grud. Look up. Come on. Oh, where is it? There it is. There it is. Right there.
Oh my god. Get it! He's not too good when it's on the wall,
He's
but
a little slow.
when it's on the ground, he gets it.
In 1930, the first Twinkie was invented by James Dewar, and now 500 million are produced each year, and over 10,000 of those are deep fried at the chip shop.
Follow it. Follow it. Follow it. Look at the little ball here.
That is so cruel.
It's on your paw.
Ronald, he's just sitting there like, this cat is insane. It'd be good without the blueberries.
I like blueberries.
Hell no, dude. Yuck. I dig raspberries, I dig strawberries, I just can't dig the blueberries.
It's on the orange. You idiot. I can't think colors.
Obviously not. I was wondering what he would do if it was on the fence. I wonder if he'll jump over. You gonna jump over, Izzy? Come on. What you gonna do?
It's like, it's on the other side. I don't know what to do.
Get it. Get it.
No way. No, it's here.
He fucking crashes into the fence on it.
You jumped it. Izzy. There it is. There it is.
Oh my god. Fucking cat. Come on, Izzy. I see it from here.
I'm gonna pounce on it.
Oh my god.
This is like, isn't this like animal?
I think so. Cruelty.
I'll lead him to the food. So it has its purpose.
Go. He's still. And Ron's still like, please give me a break.
He kept jumping.